going on, traders? Welcome back to another video. And in this video I just want to go over today. The date is Wednesday, December 1st, 2021. I just want to show you guys US30, how beautiful the setups were today throughout the past about 24 hours. So what I'm going to do, if you guys watch my previous videos, you know how I trade the Asia session, the New York, and the London session. Let's start with the Asia session, and then we'll go to the London and then New York. So Asia session was 1700, 1800. So right here, right at 6 p.m. my time in California, we saw a beautiful spinning top actually close, and then it started to push up, was consolidating for a little bit, and then it really had a big breakout. So that was the New York session right here, right at 12 a.m. We did have a doji. It would have been kind of hard to identify whether it was going to go down or up, but overall we did break this resistance right here. So it was pretty obvious and clear if you looked at it long enough that this doji was going to make the market go up. And if that wasn't clear enough, if that wasn't a clear enough indication, what you could have done is waited for that 1 a.m. candle to open, or the 12 a.m. to 1 a.m. candle to close. And we could see that it did actually close as a hammerhead candle right here. I think I said spinning top a second ago, I meant hammerhead. But we can see that we did reject our 20 moving average as well. So let me click this yellow line. Yep, our 20 moving average was rejected. And any time that you see like a candle reject a 20 MA like that, it's a really good sign that it's going to drop and go the other way, or whatever way it's hitting, it's going to go the opposite way. So we saw the rejection, beautiful hammerhead candle. And right after that, we can see that we had a really nice push up for 1300 pips. If you targeted that golden zone, that would have been where your take profit would have been. So there's the Asia session right here, potential setup you could have taken, would have paid out going into the London session, and then our London session setup right there. Now I want to go down to the minute 15 and the minute 5 to show you guys what I saw during the New York session. Actually, it was very beautiful today, and I'm surprised because Wednesdays are usually very choppy. There's no overall move that happens, it's clear like this. But for the first opening of the New York session, we could see that we had a nice push up. And the times I like to look at for reversal candles on the minute 15 are 6:45, 7 a.m. and 7:15. So you could have maybe entered on this candle right here. I don't know if I would have entered on that doji right there. I would have waited for the next candle to come out and close. And right at 7 a.m., this candle that closed at 7 a.m., beautiful spinning top right there. And it closed, and then right after that, we saw an immediate reaction. And that's what you guys want. When you're trading, you want to make sure when you're trading that to be on the right side of the market, you want a quick reaction. So this is a 15-minute chart. Every candle represents 15 minutes. And we can see literally in 15 minutes after that candle closed, it shot up 1100 pips. Beautiful. So obviously you would have had for this setup right here, you would have had your stops kind of big, 794 pips, but I would have targeted this golden zone right up here. And then we could see within about 15 minutes it went up. So I would say for this next 15-minute candle, maybe like 5 minutes, it went up there and hit it. So in about like 20, 25, 30 minutes, you could have seen a nice take profit hit for 1300 plus pips. Okay, there's a potential setup. You can see that we have a reversal candle right here at 8:15. But like I said, my key times are 6:45, 7 a.m. and 7:15. This setup did occur at 7:45. We can see that it did reject once again our 20 moving average. This yellow line rejected that, and then we have a beautiful spinning top. So this ideally was a higher high, and this can be construed as a higher low. So that higher low closed, and then once again, quick reaction off that zone. Boom, within one 15-minute candle, you can see a very quick reaction off for 660 pips. Obviously, you could have rode it up to this golden zone. It didn't actually complete and go all the way to that golden zone. So your trade may have hit stop loss. Obviously, you would have trailed a stop loss to your entry and closed partial profits as it started to go up. So it's really just a patience game there. After later in the day, we can see that the market did start to sell off, and it currently is still selling off right now. We just had a big drop. Literally within 5 minutes, this candle dropped so hard. Basically over like 1,000 pip drop. Let's see if we can get it correctly. 980 pips within literally 5 minutes, 11 minutes. Wow. So nice drop. This is overall what I like to see in the market are days like this when it's already in an uptrend and I can see that there's a higher high and then a higher low. And for the higher lows, what I like to look for is a reversal candle. So there's our reversal candle right there in the higher low, stops right above the wick, ride it up to the next golden zone. Okay. And we can see that we did start to form a lower low. This was the high of the day or the high of the session. And we have a lower low, lower high. We have a bearish engulfing right here. We have a bullish candle followed by a bearish candle, but the bearish candle engulfed that body, meaning that the body of the candle closed lower than the body of this candle right here. Beautiful setup right there. Could have taken a sell, rode it all the way down to one of these golden zones down here. Now what I want to go to is the minute 5 chart, because we can see earlier today, same time, that 645 candle that closed at 7 a.m. Look on the minute 5, the 655 candle, or that 650 candle, beautiful W pattern. 1, 2, we're rejecting our 200 EMA, and 3, that's a perfect spinning top right there. That candle is just gorgeous. Right after that candle closed, could have put a stop right below it like that, and then just rode it up to this golden zone, or even this one, but it wouldn't initiated that. And when you have multiple trades, like let's say you want to enter 2 positions, let's say you just want to target this first golden zone and then you want to target the second one too, you can do that. Okay, then we can see it hit its high of the day, started to go down. It's very clear these lower lows and lower highs are very clear on the 5-minute chart. So we can see this lower low and then this lower high. Once again, this is like the 4th time we've seen this in this video today. Look at the 20 moving average being rejected perfectly. We have a doji, then a bearish candle following that. You could have entered on that doji if you were really risky and you just knew that that was a setup, or you could have waited for that bearish candle to come out to engulf that body to give us a sign that that's our new lower high that was formed, and then a new lower low is going to be formed. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful in the markets today. Another setup, there's a lower low, then the lower high, there's that reversal candle in the lower high, boom, lower low, lower high, bearish engulfing right here, new lower low, here's our lower high, and then it just sank, still sinking as we're talking right now. Within this video, it's been going for 7 minutes, so literally the market already dropped 1,500 pips just by us being on this call right now. And for the whole day, we had a really nice drop. So from the high of the day to current market price, it dropped 7,300 pips in a matter of 4 hours today. Wow. These are the days that you want to trade, and that's why I tell you guys that not every day is going to be a good trading day, but if you can find like one good trading day like this throughout the week, you're good. Like a 10-cent lot, you would have made 10 bands right there. If you dropped a standard lot, you would have made 70 racks in 4 hours, which is pretty damn insane. But this is just what I wanted to show you guys, a little breakdown of the past 24 hours in the market. If you guys want help with trading, reach out to me on Instagram. There should be somewhere that you can scan something on the screen, or the links are in the description for my Instagram. Also, program still is on sale, so if you guys want to get involved, all you need to do is go to RORFX.com. This is what it's going to look like. No, we do not use IQ option. This is just screenshot that I got from Google. We do use MetaTrader 4, and then it's $250 to join. If the price changed, use code FX1 to give you a discount. But without further ado, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.